Hello, Mr. Boom here, and welcome to Forex Billionaire Hub. And in this video, I'm gonna analyze the gold market for the next Monday to Friday. And as per our previous week analysis, as you can see there was our triangle, and we told that we can buy from this particular area, okay? And it just flying up, or it just boom from our last week analysis. Not only last week analysis, if you especially go back and see our last few months analysis, you may see there is 95% winning ratio in our YouTube analysis or YouTube signals. There I just share my opinion, my thoughts. By the way, that can fail, so whenever you want to take an entry, or whenever you just decide to take entry based on our performance, do your own research first. The risk is always your. If you lose money, that will cut from your bank balance, not mine, okay? I just share my thoughts, I just share my opinion. That means that is not that will be happen, okay? That could be happen, either that could not be happen, okay? This is the thing. Okay, let's dive in the deep analysis. And as per my analysis style, I always start my analyzing with higher time frame, then I go for lower time frame to find out entry, and for higher time frame I just find out market direction or market trend, okay? As you can see there, from a long time ago, market is on buy trend, market is pushing up, okay? There is 2 or 3 main factor. Number one is USD getting weaker day by day, okay? That's why gold is rising up, okay? Number 2 is Fed rate cut, okay? Fed cut, okay? Number 3 is geopolitical tension, okay? As per you know that there is server wars running around the world, like recently in Iran there is a lot of thing is happening. That is also a reason to gold going buy, okay? And this is clear thing, that is gold is going buy, and still there is bullish momentum or bullish trend and gold, okay? And if I especially want to go back in daily time frame, and as you can see there is our last week's some few candle, that means last 5 candles from last week. This is from last week. And if I especially want to analyze them, and as you can see there is two bullish candle and 3 of them bearish, and bullish are really stronger than bearish, okay? And if I want to draw a trend line based on daily time frame, or if I want to think about that, as you can see there is our trend line. And if I want to talk about upper trends, or if I want to draw upper trends, as you can see there, that could be our upper trends, okay? So in if I think about technically, okay, what could be happen there, as you can see the market is just following this channel, and either there will be a breakout, then we will wait for a pullback, then we can take a buy entry over there. Otherwise we can take sell entry there based on this candle confirmation. Then we can wait till the profit, till drop this particular area. Otherwise, if you think, okay, I will only take buy entry because market is strong bullish momentum, if I sell, that will be risk, or that can be risky for me, then you can wait till that particular area, then based on candle confirmation like that we can take buy entry from there, okay? In my opinion, we can only take buy entry for bullish trendy market, okay? So better we have to wait till that particular area, otherwise we have to wait breakout, then pull back, then we can take entry, okay, in that particular area. Number 1 zone, number 2 zone, that could be our perfect entry point, okay? And let's remove all of our previous drawing, and let's get back or let's find out our entry in H4 or H1 time frame, as per we took our entry as always, okay? And for H4 time frame, we can easily or simply draw our trend line from this particular area, okay? It could be there to there, okay. And if I especially want to talk about upper trend, that means resistance trend line, that could be there, okay? And as you can see there, if it's likely daily time frame candle, that means we have to wait that particular area, then we can consider buy entry. And for that kind of bullish market, I never suggest to take sell entry for long term. You can scalp with sell, but you have to stick with your money management or risk management, okay? Otherwise, if it give us a breakout, then we will wait for a pullback over there, then we can take buy entry from there. Number 1 zone, number 2 zone again, like daily time frame. Okay, let's remove them and go for our favorite H1 time frame. Then we can see what is going to happen there. Okay, and in that scenario we have support become resistance area, that particular area. That means there is already a buying zone. Okay, let's get back for our trend line. Okay, that could be a perfect trend line. Okay, and if we think about our resistance trend line or upper trend line, that could be there. Okay, for now what we can do, our support zone and support trend line are saying, and also there is candle confirmation to go buy, so we can take directly buy entry over there. But in H1 time frame, suppose I want to take 300 pips for profit. That means if I consider risk to reward ratio, that means R is to R, that means our reward is 300 pips. If we want to take 1:3 risk reward ratio, our SL should be 100 pips. That means our if we take entry that particular area 4596, our SL should be around 4586. Okay, 100 pips, our TP should be 300 pips over there. So this is 1:3 risk reward ratio entry, so you can take by entry there. But must you have to consider about your risk management, about how much money you can afford to lose. Okay, so this is the thing you have to think about when you are going to take entry. Okay, so that could be a perfect entry zone for there, and we can take another buy entry after the breakout, then pullback we can take there. Or if we get anything like downtrend, that means go sell, then we can consider a sell entry. After the breakout, then pullback, then we can take sell entry over there. So this is the thing. Okay, and if you ask me, Mr. Boom, we are a scalper, what we can do now? Okay, let's get back for a scalper, like my favorite M15 time frame. So what we can do in that particular case, or what you can do in that particular scenario. Let's get back into M13 time frame. Okay, as you can see there, if you want to take a scalping entry, as you can see there, that is the zone. And if I especially want to talk about the support zone, okay, there was a news. Okay, forget about that. That is a fake breakout, if you can consider that, because there was a news. We can take, or we can consider that as a fake breakout. And then what we need to do, you can wait till that particular area, and if give a breakout, then we can wait first pullback, then we can take buy entry over there. Otherwise we have to wait that particular area, then we can consider a buy entry. Still that if you want to take 100 pips SL, you have to take 300 pips TP. Okay, TP, that is SL. Okay, and you may ask Mr. Boom, SL is way bigger than 100 pips. Okay, TP is way less than 300 pips, then avoid that entry, because in that market condition or in that market situation, if you avoid 1:3 risk ratio, that will be risky for your account, that will be risky for you. Okay, I hope all things clear now. For any more query or any more question, you may join our public Telegram channel. There we are sharing a lot of technical, fundamental and geopolitical issue related posting. You will get all of that thing into our Telegram channel. Okay, link in the video description box, guys. You just join there, you will get all of them every day, each and every moment update there. That will be completely free and there is no joining cost. Okay, you may join there to get all kind of update. So I hope all things clear now. For Mukuri or for free signal, free chart analysis, free fundamental analysis, you may join our public Telegram channel, t.me/FX Billionaire Hub, link in the video description box below. Mr. Boom signing out.